Metal, happy Friday, everybody. It's Todd from Toji Racing. My friend Dave's here. He's on the camera tonight.
Hello.
All right, so Dave just picked up this beautiful Carrera Racetruck, and we are going to do a little unbox, then Dave's going to give it a test run for the first time ever. So this is the Carrera Truckster Cabover British Racing Green number 8. Let's get this out of the box here. I took the liberty of opening it already, so I don't look silly trying to do it. All right, we're going to go ahead and take this off before we look at the features really quick. But before we do, I have to say, that green is beautiful, and it's actually metal flake if you look really close. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but we clearly can. And it's got some really neat little liveries on it that we kind of noticed as we were looking at it. We're nearly clear here. So Dave and I are maiden fan. He's thinking about putting a Eddie right there and maybe right there, which would be really neat. But anyway, back to the matter at hand. So it's got a really neat livery right here. And what did it say again? The most noble order of the controller, which is pretty damn cool for a slot car. And then it's got the guy's name here. His name's Archie Bald. That's your driver. Those British people got a sense of humor. The big Union Jack's actually pretty cool. And on the sides, I especially like the sides. The paint is just fantastic, as we mentioned. The chrome tanks, the chrome Krager looking wheels, and the fact it's actually got 10 tires is just badass. Let's get this over there in the light a little better and move it around so you can get a good look at it. Brimstone on the front, you gotta love that. I couldn't make that out very good, but something about a motor oil or something. And then of course are the lights. It would be really neat if those lights worked and Carrera could sort that out. We might have to see if we can mod that and make that work, because that would be badass. And one thing I also noticed about this, and a lot of many more, the driver looks super cool in his little orange fire suit, black and white helmet, and his shiny gloves. And the cab's super detailed with the red fire extinguisher, and I don't know what the silver thing is, but you can actually see a bunch of controls in there if you look really close. Dave's zooming in a little bit there. So that's pretty friggin' cool. Then of course the air scoop, the big wing on the back. There's your taillights. They're just painted on, and of course your differential cover and the exhaust. So she's just a sweet, sweet, sweet ride. So let's get in there. We'll program this car and let Dave give it a whirl, and I'll do some filming of him doing some laps. And you can hear Phoebe being a butthole. Right, Phoebe? We finally got our Bluetooth in the racing app, but we're not quite up to speed on the racing app yet. It's a little bit tricky. All right, let's program this bad boy. All right, first the controller. All right. Speed 4, that's what we like for the trucks. Braking 3 is good. And fuel, of course, should be 3. Start. All right, we're gonna hand this over to Dave here and let him roll. Ooh, yeah. We should adjust your contacts real quick. We forgot to do that.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. Bring her up around here.
All right.
We'll get them. Might have to watch it there. See what I mean?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and pick her up. And you want to bend them so they're kind of at a 45-degree angle.
These?
Yeah, bend them up.
Bend them up.
Yeah, so they like kind of look like a spring. Yeah, just like that. And then do the back one the same way. Not up, kind of at a 45. Not straight up.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
The back too?
Yeah. Yeah, just about. Yep, like that. There you go. Yeah, just so you guys know, we're going to do a little quick tip here. I learned this myself. You want these things to be looking like springs, kind of like so. That way they always make a nice connection with the track. It's real easy when you get a new car to forget about that, and they're flat as a board, and then you get in, you know, to someplace a little tricky like so, and when it doesn't work, or it'll stop or slow down, you know. It's all about power. Electrical power. It's amazing how nice those cars run. Or trucks run, excuse me. Nice slide, dude. They slide really well. Can't wait to have our truck class. That'll be sweet. Nice.
Do you feel?
Yes, sir. It's that time. We run the blinking lights for fueling. It works really well for us.
Oop.
Except Dave missed his fueling. He'll learn. You're hitting the brake button, aren't you?
Yep, I certainly have.
I did it so many times.
I don't get it. There we go. That's odd.
You gotta hold it down. Are you holding it down?
No.
Yeah, you can't just push it.
Oh.
You gotta hold it. There she blows.
Oh. There we go.
The D-slots happen. Try railing it through. Yeah, there you go. Rip it. That's the one to watch.
Whoa.
Just gonna tell you that corner will get you. So I got this ambulance off Amazon for $6, and it's just the right size. And I got it in the hardest corner with the doors open. Pretty funny, I thought anyway. Nice slide.
Oh.
Ooh, I got you. Very nice. And like I said, we got our Bluetooth adapter here, and I got the racing app, but I only got the basic version. You can't use any of the advanced features. What the heck is that? But I get it, and we're gonna get the advanced app, but we're gonna actually try a truck race here in a minute, which will be our first official race with the app, which is pretty cool. I've already got Dave entered. I just got to add his truck in. So it'll be pretty sweet. But anyway, that's about it for this box opening and test run. This, what do you think, Dave? You like it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
It's pretty cool.
it's a beautiful truck, and we're going to have a race and see how it goes. Anyway, that is all from Toji Racing for this video. If you like this content, please give us a like and a subscribe. We really appreciate it. And you all have a good night. Signing off, Metal.